Come sit a spell on this porch, my child, and rest your boots by mine. Let me tell you about this dirt and how it's all by design. This ain't just dust we're standing on, or a plot to buy and sell. It's a living, breathing partner with a story hard to tell. We don't own it, we just borrow it. For a little while we do. And the way we treat our lender, well, it comes right back to you. Now see that twisted row out yonder, where the grapes hang on the line. Your great-granddaddy planted it with this same old hand of mine. We put a tiny sleeping cane into the winter ground, but the work wasn't over, not by any measure round. 'Cause you gotta guard the good soil, keep the creek water clean, let the wildflowers bloom where the tractor ain't been. You thank the bee for buzzing, thank the rain for falling slow. You protect the things that help you, child, that's all you need to know. You shelter what sustains you, and as sure as the Lord's above, what you care for with your kindness will return it all in love. That little vine woke thirsty, so we let the spring rain flow. We kept the chemicals away so the good earth could grow. We let the clover grow between to feed what lay below. And the leaves that fell in autumn gave back what they did. Oh, then one hot summer morning come a sweetness on the breeze. A promise turned to purple, hanging heavy from the trees. You guard the good soil, keep the creek water clean, let the wildflowers bloom where the tractor ain't been. You thank the vine for climbing, thank the sun for making sweet. You protect the things that feed you, that's the rhythm and the beat. You shelter what sustains you, as true as I'm your paw. What you care for with your heart, child, will care for you and yours. So when you sip that jelly or taste the pie your mama makes, remember it's a circle for all our sakes. From root to leaf to blossom to the fruit there in your hand, it's a chain of gentle kindness across this grateful land. You break one link, the whole thing fails. It's fragile and it's true, but tend it right, and it'll always come back providing for you. So promise me you'll watch this field and the woods and the stream. It ain't just pretty scenery, it's a living, giving dream. My time for tending shortens like the shadows that now fall, but you'll be the new keeper and you'll understand it all. This dirt is your foundation, your cellar and your shell. You look after nature, child, and it'll look after itself.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed our adventure, please like and subscribe. From all of us to you, we wish you a beautiful tomorrow.